started, and I have got better check. Alright, so oh, Vidal! Vidal! I have got Vidal! Oh my god! Vidal! This is unbelievable. Raheem Sterling in the next pack! Oh my god! Raheem Sterling in the next pack! Oh my god! It's not an inform. It's an 82 rating. Raheem Sterling. Well, I'm going for 50k. Oh my god, that is brilliant. Oh my god, I could not believe that. Could not believe that. In fact, Valencia. Oh, that's kind of bad, you know. For a 7.5k pack, my cousin's money is wasted. Alright, next pack. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh my god, that was so rubbish. So rubbish. I'm wasting my cousin's money. 7.5k back in that rubbish. Right. That is so rubbish. Next pack. Otamendi! Otamendi! Oh my god! Otamendi. That is sick. Otamendi. Oh. Rubbish. And you saw that vine. Rubbish. Before. Oh my god, that is so rubbish. Just quick sell it. Who wants it? Oh, we got an 83 rated Martinho. Alright, next pack. Next pack. Next pack.
Get on the case.
Right, next pack. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
That's it. Get down. Who's in the mic with the wickedest sound?
Right, come on. Come on. Balotelli. Yes, Balotelli. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Rubbish. Come on. Come on. Marquisio. Marquisio. Get in there. Marquisio. Yes. Marquisio. Yes. Get out of here. Right. Right. Navas. And then we get it. Navas. Alright, you know. That's good. That's good, yeah. That's good. That's good. That's kind of good, you know. Yeah, I'm proud of that. Yeah, Navas again. Navas again. What can we say about him? And Rolando in the same pack. Alright, next pack, next pack, next pack, next pack. Khedira! What can you say about that? Destruction! Khedira! Get in there. Yes, Khedira. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.